It's all sleet. I didn't feed them today. They have so much under the snow. So I went and shoveled a little bit for them. They're just all over. I saw 2 robins out there. They're eating the sunflower seeds, so at least they're eating. All the birds, all the juncos, all the little birds. So many today. So we had snow, and we had rain, we had a thunderstorm. Oh, we had some hail, and we had some sleet. And we had little ice balls, God knows what. Oh, and the snow is kind of a yellowish orange. It's too bad the camera won't pick it up. Snow's got a funny color. Kind of a yellow brown on top. Never saw that before. Oh yeah, they all got to come and eat. So many birds today. Just everywhere. Look at them all. Poor little birds. Juncos, chickadees. Goldfinches are getting their yellow. You've got, there's some cardinals. There's a goldfinch, she's got some yellow. We have the ones on the feeders. They love those mesh feeders. They can get them. Birds that perch don't really eat birdseed. People put birdseed in a feeder and it's kind of a waste. Put sunflower seeds in a hanging feeder. You scatter the seed on the ground. That way the doves and the birds that don't perch, like the juncos, they can have some food too. I put sunflower on the ground though, for them too. Plus they pick up all the scraps. And the squirrels were here, but Buddy and Trixie chased them away for now. I don't know if you can see the weird color of the snow. It's just odd. Like, look at it. Hello. Cute. They're so cute. There's a yellow one. Says I got my feathers early. A lot of yellow ones. They must have just come back.